Low-code software is quickly taking over many of the traditional ERP roles, providing businesses with the ability to rapidly deploy cloud-based applications at a much lower cost than custom development. Low-code platforms allow these organizations to leverage their existing data infrastructure and create newer applications that are easier and faster to develop. This is especially helpful for organizations that need to quickly deploy new applications or processes or respond to a rapidly changing business environment. Low-code software also has the advantage of being able to scale easily across your organization depending on growth. With its ability to integrate seamlessly into existing systems, low-code applications can be quickly modified and updated as needed without having to go through a long and costly development process.